Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I am going to share you the cutting and stitching of this beautiful top. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, for this project, I have taken a 2.5 meter printed cotton fabric. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, fold the fabric by half in length. Here we have two layers. The first layer is for the back portion and the second layer is for the front portion. Now again fold this by half in width so that we will get 4 layers. This is folded side and this is open side. Now since we have prints at the bottom, I am marking the length from bottom to top. So this is the front portion. Now I am drawing a straight line to trim the raw edges. Then from this point, I am marking the length of the fabric, which is 39 inch in my measurement, which includes seam allowance. So just mark it. Then extend these points. In my measurement, shoulder is 6.5 inch. Your shoulder measurement divided by 2. In my case, it was 6.5 inch. So, I marked 6.5 inch. And mark 3 inch as neck width point. Now, from this point, mark half inch down for the shoulder slope. Then join this here. Then again from this point mark 6.5 inch, which is the armhole depth measurement. Now from the shoulder mark 7 inch for chest measurement and 15 inch for waist measurement. Then 21 inch for hip measurement. Extend these points. My chest measurement is 38 inch divided by 4 is 9.5 inch plus seam allowance. Here I am marking 1.5 inch. So your chest measurement divided by 4 plus seam allowance. For my waist measurement I am deducting half inch from the chest measurement. So I have marked 9 inch plus seam allowance. For my hip measurement I am taking the same chest measurement because both are same for my case. So I am marking 9.5 inch plus seam allowance. And for the bottom I am marking 12 inch. Join these points. Now I am going to draw the armhole measurement. Just mark 1 inch from the corner and then draw a back armhole curve. Then from here mark half inch inwards to draw the front armhole curve. Just join this here. And from here also mark half inch inwards and then draw a front armhole curve. Now I am going to mark the front and the back neck. It is 6.5 inch and 4.5 inch. front neck and back neck. Now I'm going to draw a round neckline for the back neck. With this marking is complete, now I'm going to cut this. Now mark the center notch. Draw the front armhole, then separate the back portion and trim the front armhole. After this, separate the front portion and for the back portion, trim the neck. Now I am going to share you how to cut the sleeves. For that I have taken some leftover fabric. These are folded side and 4 layers are there. The required length of the sleeve is 15 inch. Just I am marking this. And the required width is 11 inch. Extend these points and trim the excess fabric. Now these are folded side and 2 layers are there for 2 sleeves, and here we have 4 layers. Length of the sleeve is 15 inch, which includes seam allowance for folding at the bottom. Draw a straight line to trim the raw edges. Then from this point, mark 3 inch, which is the cap height of my sleeve. Then from here, mark 8 inch, which is half inch less than my arm round measurement. Then seam allowance. Join these points. Now draw the back sleeve. After this, mark half inch inwards from the center line, then draw the front sleeve. Now for the sleeve round, bottom round, mark 5 inch, then seam allowance. I am joining these points. Now cut it. Firstly trim the back sleeve. Then make center notch and open the sleeve. Then start trimming the front sleeve. Make sure that the right sides are facing together. With this, my cutting is complete. Now I'll show you how to stitch this. This is the front portion, and I have already posted the video for the same. Just check the description box for the link. Now I have taken the back portion and I'll finish the neckline using the bias tape. So just fold the bias tape and then finish the neckline by making a stitch here. Now I am placing the back portion on the front portion. I have already finished the neckline. After attaching the shoulder, I will fold the neckline I mean the bias tape to the wrong side. Just make a stitch at the shoulder. After that, finish the neckline by folding it at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished attaching both the shoulders. Now turn the bias tape to the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch at the inner edge. I finished attaching the neckline and also both the shoulders. Now I am going to share you how to attach the sleeves with the top. I have taken the sleeves now. Separate one sleeve. And for this sleeve bottom I am going to attach some border, so that I have taken some contrast fabrics. 2 layers. Length is 7 inch. With the same as the sleeve width. Now separate this. Fold the sleeves and also fold the contrast fabric. Just fold like this. Fold by half in length, then width. Then place it here. After this, mark 1 inch from the bottom. This is up to you. You can mark 2-3 inch or whatever it is. So just draw a slight curve. Then cut it. Now open this. This is how it looks. Just place this at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch here. After that, turn and sew it. Similarly, finish the other sleeve as well. Now make a top stitch. Repeat the same for the other side of the sleeve as well. I finished attaching the border for both the sleeves. Now I'll show you how to attach this with the top. So just match the center of the sleeve with the shoulder and check the front sleeve and make a stitch here. Similarly, repeat the same for the other side as well. I finished attaching. You can see this. I have finished attaching both the sleeves with the top. Now I'll show you how to attach the sides. For that, turn the fabric to the wrong side and adjust it. Now, starting from the sleeve bottom round, make a stitch up to the hip point. This is the hip point where we have marked the notches there. Just draw a line, then make a stitch up to this point. Repeat the same for the other side as well. So this is the hip point. Now I have already finished attaching till the hip point. After this is a slit area. Now I'll show you how to finish the slit portion. So just lift the fabric and then fold it twice at the wrong side of the fabric. Then start stitching. Now lift the pressure foot and turn the fabric. Then fold the other side of the fabric also twice and then start making a stitch. I finished attaching. You can see this. Now similar to this, I will finish the other side as well. Now, after attaching this, fold the bottom of the top twice and make a stitch at the inner edge. I have finished attaching the bottom for one side. Repeat the same for the other side as well. With this, my stitching is complete. This is how it looks. I have finished attaching both the sides and the slit portion and also the bottom portion. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.